Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 29th, and this is my analysis of the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, overall I still think this is an uptrend. I still think it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and go up and eventually make a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Probably part of an expanding flat wave C if you zoom out on the monthly. I still think it's going to end up going up and taking out these highs and looking something like that. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely been going down last couple of weeks, but I still think this first push up is a 1. I still think this is an expanding flat wave 2. And I still think this is now part of a wave 3, like the 1 of 3, probably an ABC, 2 of 3, and eventually it's going to go up and make a 3 of 3 to make that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Like I said, we definitely have been going down for several weeks now. I think this first downtrend, well, first of all, this uptrend is a 1. I think this first downtrend is very clearly a wave A. I think this is very clearly a wave B. I think that this is also a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which could go down to the 61 or even the 78.6 before we end this wave BC of 2 and go back up for that big wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame definitely still in an downtrend, definitely still making lower lows, lower highs. Based on my higher time frames, I'm definitely looking for shorts. I actually think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think we're in a wave 3 of wave C like I showed on the daily time frame. So with that information in mind, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, it does kind of look like it could make a push up today, but we do have to realize today is a bank holiday for most people in the world. Monday is also a bank holiday for most people in the world too, so I wouldn't be surprised if today didn't really do much. Maybe it will push up a little bit, but the trend is down, so I would primarily be looking for downs and shorts in a downtrend. The daily time frame and up all look like they're in a wave 3 of C, so I would definitely primarily be looking for shorts. If you are a shorter time frame trader, you could be trying to look for longs on shorter time frames like scalping. I would be very cautious with that though, because I think the big money is going to be made still looking for shorts in a downtrend for what I think is a wave 3 of wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.